आज के सबक का करते हैं आगाज। इन सेंटेंसेस को सीखने का तरीकाकार कुछ यूं है कि सबसे पहले मैं उर्दू बोलूंगा, उसके बाद अगर कोई भी मुश्किल वर्ड हुआ तो उसकी आपको मीनिंग्स बता दूंगा और फिर हम इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन करेंगे। और आपने जब मैं इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन करूं तो मेरे पीछे पीछे रिपीट करना है ताकि आपका जो तलफ़ुज़ है और जो बोलने का लहजा है वो खूबसूरत बने। ठीक है दोस्तों, तो आइए शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का सबक। क्या तुम मुझे सुन सकते हो? कैन यू हेयर मी? कैन यू हेयर मी? कैन यू हेयर मी? मैं क्या करूं? What shall I do? What shall I do? मैं उसे समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं। I'm trying to convince him. I'm trying to convince him. समझाने की मतलब कन्विंस करने की, मनाने की, बात पर लाने की। ठीक है, आई एम ट्राइंग टू कन्विंस हिम। वो घर पर नहीं है। ही इज़ नॉट एट होम। आप यहाँ पर एट ना भी लगाएं तो भी चलेगा। ठीक है, एट लगाना यहाँ पर ज़रूरी नहीं है। ही इज़ नॉट होम भी कह सकते हैं। आई एम नॉट होम, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं घर नहीं हूँ, यानी मेरा नाम घर नहीं है। ठीक है, इसका मतलब है कि मैं घर पर नहीं हूं। तो एट जो प्रपोजिशन है ये होम के साथ अगर आप ना भी लगाएं तो चलेगा, इट्स करेक्ट। मैं तुमसे झूठ नहीं बोल रहा हूं। आई एम नॉट लाइंग टू यू। आई एम नॉट लाइंग टू यू। क्या तुम बीमार हो? आर यू सिक? मेरा ख्याल है तुम्हें डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए। आई थिंक यू शुड गो टू द डॉक्टर। आई थिंक You should go to the doctor. ज़रा रुको। Wait a minute. बाहर बारिश हो रही है। It's raining outside. It's raining outside. मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है। It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. आपको 1 घंटा इंतज़ार करना पड़ेगा। You have to wait an hour. You have to wait an hour. मैं ये नहीं कर सकता। I can't do it. I can't do it. मेरे पास वक्त नहीं है। I don't have time. आप बिल्कुल बदल चुके हैं। You have completely changed. You have completely changed. तुम मुझसे नाराज क्यों हो? Why are you angry with me? Why are you angry with me? तुम्हें क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? क्या आप वाकई ठीक हैं? Are you really well? Are you really well? मैं तुमसे वादा करता हूं। I promise you. अपना मुंह बंद करो। Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. मैं जा रहा था। I was leaving. I was leaving. ये मेरी गलती नहीं थी। It was not my fault. It was not my fault. और इसको अगर थोड़ा सा फ्लुएंट बनाना हो तो आप कुछ ऐसे करेंगे। It wasn't, इसको हमने इकट्ठा कर दिया। It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault. मैं आपके बगैर अंधा हूं। I am blind without you. I am blind without you. मेरे लिए यही काफ़ी है। That's enough for me. That's enough for me. अब खामोश रहो। Be quiet now. Be quiet now. इस वर्ड को हम कैसे प्रोनाउंस करेंगे? Quiet. Quiet. ना कि quite. ठीक है, इसको आपने quite नहीं बोलना। यहां से निकल जाओ। Get out of here. Get out of here. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में सब कुछ जानता हूं। I know everything about you. I know everything about you. मैं आपका इंतज़ार कर रहा हूं। I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. मैंने ये लफ्ज़ नहीं कहा। I didn't say that word. I didn't say that word. वो आपकी तरह लगता है। He looks like you. He looks like you. अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूं, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken. डरो मत। Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. आप अपने आप को क्या समझते हैं? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? मेरे लिए कुछ करो. Do something for me. Do something for me. हम दोबारा कभी एक दूसरे को नहीं देखेंगे. We will never see each other again. We will never see each other again. क्या आप इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? आपको जल्दी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You don't have to hurry. You don't have to hurry. क्या आप मुझे साफ सुन सकते हैं? Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly? ये बताओ मुझे. Tell me that. मैं उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता. I don't know anything about him. I don't know anything about him. क्या आपको ये याद है? Do you remember it? Do you remember it? मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा. I have to think. I have to think. और अगर आपने ये कहना हो मुझे दोबारा सोचना पड़ेगा तो आप कहेंगे I have to rethink. I have to rethink. मुझे अब जाना होगा. I have to go now. I have to go now. मुझे ये करना है. I have to do it. I have to do it. आप मेरी मदद करेंगे या नहीं? Will you help me or not? Will you help me or not? आप मुझे बता सकते हैं. You can tell me. You can tell me. मैंने उसे बताया. I told him. मुझे माफ़ कर दो. Pardon me. मेरी मदद करो. Help me. क्या ये दूर है? Is it far away? Is it far away? मुझे जाना है. I have to go. I have to go. मैं किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ. I'm reading books. घर पर नहीं. Not at home. मैं कोशिश कर रहा था. I was trying. प्लीज़ बात करें. Please speak up. कोशिश जारी रखें. Keep trying. Keep trying. मुझे करने दें. Let me. आपसे बाद में बात होगी. Talk to you later. ये बहुत बुरा है. That's too bad. आप मसरूफ़ नज़र आते हैं. You look busy. आहिस्ता करो. Slow down. तुमने मुझसे झूठ बोला. You lied to me. सुस्त रफ्तार. Slow motion. आपको कौन बुला रहा है? Who's calling you? बारिश हो सकती है. It may rain. मैं आपको जानता हूँ. I know you. वो खाना पका रही है. She is cooking. तुम झूठे हो. You are a liar. ये मेरी राय है. It's my opinion. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. मुझे दोबारा पूछो. Ask me again. मैंने ऐसा ही अंदाज़ा लगाया. I guessed so. I guessed so. बिल्कुल नहीं. Absolutely not. किसी पर इन्हिसार ना करो. Don't depend on anyone. Don't depend on anyone. मेरे साथ आओ. Come with me. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. बाद में मिलते हैं. See you later. See you later. मुझे तुमसे इत्तेफाक है. यानी मैं तुमसे agree करता हूँ. I agree with you. मैं वो देखता हूँ. I see that. दाखला मना है. No entry. मैं तजवीज़ नहीं करता. I don't suggest. मैं जा रहा हूँ. I'm going. अपना दिमाग इस्तेमाल करो. Use your brain or use your mind. तुम ये कर सकते हो. You can do it. मैं उसे जानता हूँ. I know him. मुझे उस पर ज़रा भी यकीन नहीं. I don't believe it. मुझे याद है. I remember. ये बहुत गर्म है. It is too hot. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ. I want to know. ये तुम्हारे साथ कौन है? Who is with you? मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. समझो ये हो गया. Consider it done. ये यहाँ है. It is here. इसे मुझ पर रखो या मुझ पर डाल दो. Put it on me. कहना आसान है, easy to say. जोर से बोलो, speak louder. किसी चीज की जरूरत नहीं, nothing needed. प्लीज मुझे माफ कर दो, प्लीज forgive me. एक मुझे दो, give me one. मुझे देखने दो, let me see. एक नुक्ते पर या एक पॉइंट पर, at one point. At one point. मुझसे मत पूछो, don't ask me. पानी गर्म करें, heat the water. क्या यहाँ कोई है? Is anybody here? मैंने नहीं देखा, I didn't see. कभी किसी को मत बताना, never tell anyone. मैं शादीशुदा नहीं, I'm not married. क्या आप मुझे जानते हैं? Do you know me? ज़ाया ना करें, don't waste. मुझे मजबूर मत करो, don't force me. मुझे परवाह नहीं, I don't care. ये नहीं हो सकता, it can't be. यानी किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात हो रही है कि ये वाली चीज़ नहीं हो सकती, ये वाला शख्स नहीं हो सकता. मेरे ख्याल से ये है, I think it is. कहने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, nothing to say. मैं खुश हूँ, I'm glad. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो, let me alone. जल्दी घर जाओ, go home early. मुझे परेशान मत करो, don't disturb me. मैं थोड़ा मसरूफ़ हूँ, I'm a little busy. क्या तुम मुझे सुन सकते हो? Can you hear me? तुम बुज़दिल हो, you are a coward. मैं अब जा रहा हूँ, I'm leaving now. आपकी उम्र कितनी है? How old are you? How old are you? From time to time. कभी कभार. ये बहुत छोटा है. It's too small. बहुत ही महंगा है. Too expensive. फासला रखें. Keep distance. मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. क्या तुम बीमार हो? Are you ill? मैं उसकी पसंद जानता हूँ. I know his likes. मैं यही चाहता था. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ. I want to know. ये कैसे हुआ? How did this happen? बाहर देखो. Look outside. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What do you think? What do you think? या तुम क्या सोचते हो, क्या समझते हो, तुम्हारा क्या ख्याल है? ठीक है, तो इसकी इंग्लिश होगी What do you think? क्या यह सीट खाली है? Is this seat empty? Is this seat empty? क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit here? अभी तक कोई नहीं आया. क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit here? अभी तक कोई नहीं आया. No one has come yet. यहाँ पर has आएगा. No one has come yet. क्या मैं खोलूं? Shall I open? क्या मैं उसे लाऊं? Shall I bring it? मुझे याद है. I remember. अंदर ठहरो. Stay inside. देर ना करें. Don't be late. अभी नहीं, बाद में. Not now. Later. रोना बंद करो. Stop crying. वक्त पर आना. Come on time. क्या आप वहाँ हैं? Are you there? मेरे साथ आओ. Come with me. वक्त खत्म हुआ. Time is up. आमतौर पर इसको कहा जाता है Time's up. Time's up. तुम्हारा वक्त खत्म हुआ. Your time is up. Your time is up. गुस्सा मत करो. Don't be angry. दोबारा सोचो. Think again. पुरसुकून हो जाओ. Calm हो जाओ. Relax हो जाओ. Calm down. जाओ और जाकर आराम करो. Go and take rest. मुझ पर शक ना करो. Don't doubt me. Don't doubt me. मैं नहीं जानता. I don't know. ये बहुत गर्म है. It's too hot. बैठकर पानी पी लें. Drink water while sitting. Drink water while sitting. मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. ज़्यादा बात ना करो. Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. करते रहो. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. वो वहीं खड़ी है. She is standing over there. वो वहीं खड़ी है. She is standing over there. मेरी आंखों में देखो. Look into my eyes. मुझे परेशान ना करो. Don't trouble me. Don't trouble me. मैं तुम्हारा गला घोंट दूंगा. I will strangle you. I will strangle you. I will strangle you. मेरे साथ उलझो नहीं. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. क्या तुम्हें किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत है? Do you want anything? मैं उसे छोड़ नहीं सकता. I cannot leave it. ये cannot जो है ये बेसिकली एक ही वर्ड है, तो इसको हमने दो वर्ड्स नहीं करना. ठीक है, cannot. I cannot leave it. मुझे ये पहले ही मालूम था. I already knew that. I already knew that. ये बुरा नहीं है. It's not bad. अच्छा दोस्तों, चूंकि हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा सेंटेंसेस हैं, we have 500 sentences, तो हम क्या करने वाले हैं, उर्दू आपको बखूबी पढ़नी आती है. मैं आपके लिए इंग्लिश बोलूँगा ताकि आपका जो इंग्लिश का लहजा है, एक्सेंट है, वो खूबसूरत बने. तो आपने मेरे पीछे पीछे सुनना है अच्छी तरह से, गौर से, और उसके बाद मेरे पीछे पीछे रिपीट भी करना है. ठीक है, ओके. तो अब ज़रा हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंग्लिश रीड करने वाले हैं. I noticed that. I noticed that. Why are you here? It's not good. Do you know? What did he do? Where shall we meet? When did you come? What is the reason? Is it yours? It's not mine. Do it properly. You can do it. Let me go. I will meet you in a while. Will you really come? She was crying in the room. I will think about it. I will think about it. I suppose not. Come forward. Reach on time. I promise. Stand here. Who's there? Don't blame me. It doesn't seem to be here. Maybe. Maybe possible. I have nothing to say. Since when? It's silly. Thanks a lot. Sweep the floor. Not much. Come and sit. He doesn't come here. I'm going to bed. There is still a lot of time. What did you think? I don't understand. It's so amazing. It's so embarrassing. He's living abroad. No one lives there. I don't live here. Does he stay with you? Does he live here? Don't argue. Don't argue with me. He's very kind. Did they live here? I had my dinner. I had a glass of water. I had an idea in my head. I had a fever last week. I had a doubt. I had a meeting yesterday. I had some questions. I had no money. He had no license. I had a good idea. I had a good time. We had a secret meeting. I had a phone call from him. I had a strange dream last night. I had a lot of money in my bank. I had to eat. I had to study a lot. I had to go. I had to run. I got it. She looks very upset. To a certain extent, I can't say. I don't recognize him. Forgive him. Not at all. Stay with me. I'll be with you forever. I'm alone here. It looks like nothing happened. He doesn't lie. Not now, later. I never lied to you. He's refusing. Watch out. Keep silence, please. I'm still unmarried. Let me look. He will never do it again. Speak the truth. Never mind. Keep it clean. Can I keep it here? Try again. Keep it up. Find it quickly. It is too much. How about you? Finish it now. Do I look old? I am feeling lonely. Let's stop here. Forget me forever. I'm busy now. This knife is very sharp. I am very confident. I guessed it. I'm very confident. I guessed it. I woke up very early. You are very lucky. I appreciate you. I'm really busy today. I'm still very tired. You look so pretty. She can swim very fast. He is kind to me. I am very proud of you. You look sick. I became very sick. We have become very close. Why are you so late? I have to do this. How did you know that? I am trying to help you. I like your words. Don't go out of the house. Don't go out of the house. I hope you will keep your words. Nothing happens without a reason. I saw it with my own eyes. I'm just saying that I have heard. I've something to tell you. Don't force me. Will you do me a favor? Do something now. Help me a little. I never told you to do that. He was laughing when I saw him. He was laughing when I saw him. Where have you been since I came? Whatever she is mine. How long will you take to do this? I will not spare you, wherever you go. I don't need it. I don't know what will happen. I need some money. Can you pay? Have you been here before? Has Ali arrived at home? No, he hasn't reached home yet. It is your responsibility. He doesn't teach English. He is 2 years older than me. I forgot to tell you that. Where have you been since morning? How do I look? She is very beautiful to look at. One day everything will be fine. I'm going to take bath. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. Why don't you say something? I'll think about it. I suppose not. Come forward. Give me a hand. As far as I know, I guessed. Is it yours? It's not mine. No one saw it. No one knows. What's up? What is it? What happened? Nothing happened. Absolutely not. I saw him somewhere. I'm thinking. See you later. What are you? What happens now? Don't worry. Is that it? Of course. What to eat? I'm thirsty. I'm hungry. So what? You're a devil. Keep in touch. Pay attention. You keep going. What a sight. You are right. Which one? I don't need. Come with me. Wait a second. On my part. Don't do that. May I come in? Let him come. Never give up. I think so. Hurry up. Let it pass. Where was it? I found it. Are you worried? Definitely not. What a mess. I know it. On the other hand, stand in line. Enjoy yourself. Now is the time. Let's go now. Why not now? Who's calling? What time do you usually get up? Do you exercise in the morning? Could you lend me $100? Where are you born? What sports can you play? Are you single? Are you afraid of injections? Do you have any children? What do you do? Do you have a phone? What's your hobby? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite food? How many languages do you speak? How is the weather today? Can you cook? What are you going to do today? What are you doing now? Where do you want to travel next? What did you do last night? How are you feeling? Are you hungry? Do you like me? Are you tired? Do you like me or not? Have you ever eaten it before? How do you get to work? How long does it take? Will you go with me? Are you sick? Did you buy it for yourself? Do you prefer ice cream or cake? Do you have a credit card? Are you rich? Who's your favorite celebrity? Can you dance? What was your first job? Are you addicted to anything? What is your favorite food? What's the best way to learn English? Do you like being asked questions? What are you doing now? I'm talking to you. What is she doing? She's having tea. How is your mother? What is your mother doing now? She's talking on phone. Let me have your WhatsApp number. I don't use WhatsApp. Thank you for watching the video. Take care. Bye for now.